videos, every last one of them, puts a comment on them, and you win that $400 cash. The whole $400 cash. It's 80 degrees out here. It's hot. Alright. Sun was in all day long while I was doing some other stuff, but as soon as I got to be over here at this shithole, fucking sun comes out, so it can burn me up while I'm sitting on this goddamn wretched ass site. Oh, let me tell you what this guy did. You guys know I got a raise and got a position, supervisor. Well, this motherfucking son changed his motherfucking mind, Briscoe, and say, oh no, I said that's when I put you on the other side. What the fuck? But I got this nigga saying not that to me. I recorded the conversation, so little do you know, me and him was over at Orlando property when he told me all that shit that I was gonna be a supervisor, get my raise and everything. It was a dollar raise. It wasn't a lot, but it would help out for more. I recorded the whole fucking conversation. He was being recorded the whole time. Obviously, he didn't know that. So, it doesn't matter. Also, I went ahead and I decided to do something I been saying I was going to do, but I hadn't did it. Now, I have no choice but to do it. So, you guys get down in that comment, tell me what you think about that bullshit. Fuckers have the right to do shit like that to somebody. Give him a raise, give him a position, and then act like they didn't give it to him. Who the fuck is Amnesia like that? I know it's his company, he runs it shit, but really? Really? That's how the fuck you gonna handle me, nigga? Been with this nigga since 2002, y'all. This nigga trying to handle me, but that's okay. Cause I might have the last laugh, after all. I just might have that last laugh. Just might have the last laugh of all this motherfucking shit with this guy. So, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna let it go the way it's gonna go. I'm gonna let it play its way out, though. Anyway, get down in the comments and go down, right down in them comments and tell me what y'all think about that shit. Just let me know. What would you do in this situation? I mean, literally, what would you do? It was you. Out selling all kinds of what they sell. Just out the street. Alright guys. I'm not gonna make this long. I'm gonna drag it all out for none of that shit. I couldn't words out my mouth. I'm so pissed off at this nigga Briscoe. I don't know what the fuck he does.